Hello friends, I'm Akash, and today I want to show you a super fascinating trick involving subtracting reversible pairs of numbers that has something deep that's hidden within it, the 9 times table. In this video, I want to tell you more about this because it is a super fascinating trick in order to solve subtraction problems even quicker. Solving math problems fast is becoming an incredibly important skill in today's world. Whether you're preparing to take a test like the SAT, or just trying to learn and prepare for your exams, or whether you're trying to use these kinds of skills in the real world, learning to solve math equations quickly is extremely important. And it's becoming more about actually finding patterns and finding them earlier instead of actually calculating every single part of the equation. I'm going to show you an example of this right now, in fact. Let's start off with this very simple equation. 11 minus 11 is 0. Now, that seems pretty obvious, but let's try and continue this and form a pattern. 21 minus 12 is equal to 9. Notice how the second number is just the reversed version of the first one. We can keep going down like this. 31 minus 13 is 18. 41 minus 14 is 27. 51 minus 15 is 36. 61 minus 16 is 45, and so forth. Now, let's take a look at the numbers that we've just seen, the answers for each one of these problems. 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Do you see a pattern here? All of these numbers are the 9 times table. 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, and 9 times 5 is 45. And it turns out that this is not a coincidence. We can go even further than just these numbers. Let's take a look at 71 minus 17. That's equal to 9 times 6, which is 54. 81 minus 18. That is actually equal to 63, which is 9 times 7. 91 minus 19 is 72, which is 8 times 9. And of course, 9 times 9 is 81. And it turns out that 81 is equal to 101 minus 20. All of these examples follow the same pattern. The answers are the 9 times table. And we can understand why when we actually look at the details. Take a look at the first number in this equation on each side. The first numbers are being added by 10 every single time. 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, and so on. However, the second number in this subtraction is only being added by 1. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. So, if the difference between each one of these numbers from one to the next is 9, then that means the answer is always going to be a multiple of 9. And every single equation is going to be 9 more than the one that just came before it. And it is for this reason that the answers to all of these problems are the 9 times table. Now, this does seem fun, but there is an extremely intriguing way to turn this into its very own math trick. Take a look at, for example, 81 minus 18. Now, we already calculated by hand, for example, that the answer to this question is 63. But here is another way to take a look at it. Take a look at the first digits of 81 and 18. That's 8 and 1. Next, try to subtract one of these numbers from the other. So 8 minus 1 is 7. And finally, 7 times 9 is equal to 63. And that is your answer. The 9 is there simply because we have seen this pattern before, and we can use the same trick for other numbers too. 71 minus 17, for example. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. And 6 times 9 is equal to 54. And if you do the calculation yourself, you'll discover that 71 minus 17 is 54. And that is your answer. Let's take one more example. 51 minus 15. 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 times 9 is 36, thus giving you the answer for 51 minus 15, which is 36. This is already a pretty fascinating and extremely useful trick. But we can even expand this trick further. Take a look at 32 minus 23. Now, you might try and do this by hand once again, and you would very quickly come to the answer of 9. But let's look a bit deeper. If we minus 3 minus 2, just like this, the first two digits, then we get the answer 1. And 1 times 9 is 9. It turns out that this trick doesn't just apply to 11, 21, and 31. It applies to any two-digit number. Let's take a look at, for example, 42 minus 24. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18, and 42 minus 24 is 18. Let's review one more example. Let's go for something a little bit larger, like maybe 73 minus 37. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and 4 times 9 is 36. And that means that 73 minus 37 is equal to 36. And once again, if you do the entire calculation, you'll discover that that is indeed the correct answer. So, now that we've analyzed all these different aspects of this incredible trick, it's time to understand why this is so important in the end. In today's world, making sure that you know your math and are able to answer these questions quickly is, as I mentioned at the beginning, becoming more and more important. The people who are able to solve these equations faster, who are able to recognize patterns earlier, are generally rewarded over time. And as a result, it becomes more and more important to learn even simple tricks like this one. Tricks like these are extremely fascinating, and I hope they were for you as well. And learning more of them is only going to help you evolve and move faster in today's busy world. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my videos, then make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss another one of my videos every time I upload.